but you know, it's pretty crisp. It doesn't matter.
Right.
Does it matter? Anyway, because I'm loud. I'm trying to have a beer.
No, because
I don't
sometimes,
rip
right,
this
but
thing open like
sometimes you mumble. You
Hey.
mumble?
Let me
It
put
does
a
matter.
stroke on this. There we go. I think
It does matter.
Hey.
So I have to, from here, be able to go
where I sound when I'm in your. Hey.
Okay,
It doesn't sound
Okay, say.
You sing it?
No.
You want the real
I just want you to say something normal, like,
I
I'm
went
David.
to the store next door.
Okay.
All the reverb.
I'm from South Carolina, right? Something like that.
South Carolina.
Not singing, just talking.
I'm from South Carolina.
You're okay, right. We get it.
I'm like,
We get it.
I'm like,
yeah,
that's why I like it.
You're 34? No. You're 34. You're 30.
39, and I want you to know I got the balls to do it. South Carolina.
how's that? It's fun all the way around. To be
Okay.
honest with you.
Okay, alright, good.